Bench press, decline 15 degrees, neutral grip dumbbells. This decline bench press variation is a great way to train the chest while reducing stress on the shoulders. The slight decline shifts more tension into the lower fibers of the chest, gives you a stronger pressing angle, and often feels more comfortable for people who struggle with shoulder irritation on flat or incline pressing. The neutral grip adds even more joint-friendly mechanics by allowing the elbows to sit closer to the body and keeping the wrists and shoulders in a neutral, comfortable position. The setup for the decline bench press is critical. A good setup gives you more stability, more pressing power, and keeps your shoulders protected through the full range of motion. Start by adjusting the bench to a slight decline, around 15 degrees. When you sit down, position your butt right at the edge of the bench. This is important because as you lie back with the dumbbells, you don't want to slide down the bench too far. Rest the dumbbells on your knees, then lie back carefully while kicking the dumbbells into position using your legs. Once you're lying down, anchor your feet under the foot pads or firmly on the floor, depending on the bench design. You want solid tension through the whole body, just like in the flat bench press. Arch the lower back slightly by pulling the shoulder blades down the bench towards the hips. This creates stability in the upper back and helps you maintain a strong pressing position. Think about pushing your upper back into the bench as your feet drive into the floor or the foot pad. This increases whole body tension and improves force transfer. The dumbbells should remain roughly shoulder width apart. Do not allow them to flare wider during the movement. As you move through the bench press, keep the elbows at roughly a 35 to 45 degree angle away from the torso. This helps to maintain shoulder external rotation and protect the shoulders. Once you reach the bottom position, drive the feet into the pads or the floor as you press the dumbbells back up. Feel how this creates full body tension and increases your pressing power. Contract the chest and triceps as you straighten the arms and return to the top, maintaining the neutral grip throughout the entire rep. Perform the prescribed number of repetitions at the prescribed tempo, keeping your upper back tight and your feet active through the entire rep. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.